Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the leg extension machine exercise. Great for quadricep development. It's a wonderful exercise for your legs. I love giving it to clients because it helps really build knee strength, which is always useful as it works the quadricep muscles really well. I've done this with a friend of mine called Jasmine in this video, so I hope you enjoy it. And that video is coming up right now. We're down at the other end of the gym now, and we're going to take you through the seated leg extension machine, which is great for the thighs or the quadriceps. Now, there's lots of moving parts on this to begin with the setup, but we're at a machine, so the first thing we do is
check the resistance.
Hey, she didn't
Without the
smirk
eye
that time. Excellent, good work. So check the resistance, and once you're set there, there's a few things we need to get right with this in terms of just the seating to make sure that you're going to get the most out of being able to do it. So the first things first is at the back of the seat, there is a little pull handle here. And if we pull that, just be careful, Jasmine, you'll see that we can move further away or further in on the seat. Now that's important because that will dictate whereabouts your knees sit in line with this little circle here. And what you want is you want to imagine there is a straight line, like a rod going from this little circular thing here, all the way through the center point of your knees and finishing here. And that's how you know whether you've got the right position for your back or not. I'd actually say you might be a little too far forward on this at the moment. So we need to take it back a little bit. Does that feel better? Yeah, you're more in line with that, aren't you now? Perfect. Yep. Then the next thing, you'll see there's a little circular thing here that we can pull that says 1, 2, 3, and 4 on it. Now, the purpose of that determines, it's quite hard to move, pull. There we go. Muscles. Now, the purpose of that, it changes where the leg roll will be. Now, the place upon which you want it is right across this part of the heel, the foot. You want it kind of on the laces as best as possible. So we need to bring it up a little bit for Jazz. Now, once you've done all of that, like setting up an IKEA flat pack, you're then going to, as Jazz has, engage the handles just to root the arms, and that will help you keep your chest up, keep your shoulder blades back and down, and get yourself ready to engage for the exercise. Then all you're going to do is take a big deep breath in and extend from the knee till it comes up like so, and you're going to go, this time you can lock your knees out to a degree. You want to get a nice straight line between your ankle and your hip, and that will extend the thigh, and you'll feel the thigh really pulling in order to make that action happen. Anything else you'd like to add? No? That is the seated leg extension.